Questions 4 through 6. The graph of f of x equals x cubed is shown below. Make a conjecture about the graph of g of x equals x cubed minus 4. Well, just a little bit ago, we had a plus 5 on the back end of my x, of the parent function. What do we think is going to happen to this minus 4? I would have to guess that it is going to move down four units because the other one was positive and it moved up. Graph both f of x and g of x on a graphing calculator and then sketch the graph of g of x on the grid above. Label a few points. Okay, so I'm going to first put in x to the third power. And now we're going to put in x to the third power minus 4. We have hold on, I'm trying to get the light on here. Okay, we have a blue line. See the blue line? That was the original line. And then I have a lighter colored line. And as it looks, it did actually shift down a couple of units, it looks like. What I could do is I could trace. We want to make sure we're on the red line, so I'm going to press the down key, and it's going to put me on the red line. And if I type in a number, it's going to give me the y value that corresponds with that x value. Well, I see at 0, it's at negative 4. So I'm going to go 0, negative 4. All right, let's try negative 1. That gives me negative 5. Let's try positive 1. That gives me negative 3. Let's try 2. 2 is going to be 4. So it looks something like this. Cubes are one of the harder ones to graph. And I'm just going to make a note. See graph above. Okay. Revisit your original conjecture in item 3 about the graph of g of x and revise it if necessary. How does the graph of g of x differ from the graph of f of x? So this graph did indeed move down 4 units. All right, take a moment to get this copied down, and then we're going to move on to the next set of questions. There will be no debriefing for this section.